guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this very easy head wrap bonnet tutorial. So first you need a bonnet that has extra fabrics along the sides. This is to ensure that you do a really nice style with the extra fabric on two sides. So now I'm going to grab these two extra fabrics and try to crisscross just to give it like a V shape of style with this style. This is style 1, so I do that and then try to secure the extra fabrics towards the back and just tie it like so, and that's it. Voila, just try to make sure it looks good. Try to tuck in any excess like so, and you're done. This is so easy, guys. I love this. This is from Duroshan Apt. For style 2, I decided to do the same thing, crisscross, just like the first style, but this time around I'm going to be doing a bow. So this is more like a bow head wrap style. I think this is really easy and this is really cool. And yeah, guys, there you have it. Very easy. And the fact that this has two different styles of Ankara, it makes it more nice and super easy. For this second head wrap bonnet, this is called Kiana. Guys, the satin lining is everything. The satin lining is everything. Just showing you guys the length of the extra fabric. Place it on your head like I did with the first style. And for this style, I really didn't want to do too much. Just something easy. Look at that, guys. Place it on your head and place the other one on your head like so. So I tried to bring it all the way back again towards the front, and yeah, I twisted the remaining fabrics, and then I placed it to the side like so. This is really easy, guys. I mean, look at that. That's it. There you have it. There you have it. And you can as well move the sides of the twist from one side to the other. I showed you guys how to do this right now. Yeah, you can move it and place it to your best self and take your pictures. I mean, that's it. For style 2, I really did not know what to do, so I decided to twist it from one side to the other. Then I decided to twist to the other side, like so. Hope you guys get it. And just to give it the twisting at the front of the fabric. Anyway, this is the end of the tutorial. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and you can shop from Duroshan African Print.